Welcome to Free Life Science class. Today we are going to discuss some previous year question papers related to Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, and the answers are with explanations. So let's move into the question. So our first question is the frequency of two alleles in a gene pool is 0.19 and 0.81. Assume that the population is in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Calculate the percentage of homozygous recessive in a population. Okay, so in this question, the frequency of two alleles are given, that is 0.19 and 0.81. Assume that the population is in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium and they are asked for calculating the percentage of homozygous recessive in a population. Okay, so in this question we have to calculate homozygous recessive. That is, we have to find the A square. Okay, so it is a direct question. That is, here A is given that as 0.81, that is 0.81, and we are asked for A square, that is 0.81 into 0.81, that is equal to 0.66. Okay, so a 0.66 is the answer. That is, for converting it into percentage, that is into 100, we will get the option C as the answer. 66% is the homozygous recessive. Okay, moving into the next question. In a population that is in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, the frequency of recessive homozygote genotype of a certain trait is 0.09. Calculate the percentage of individual homozygous for the dominant allele. So here recessive homozygote genotype is given, that is, we are provided Q square, that is 0.09. So we are given with the homozygote recessive genotype. Okay, and we have to calculate P square. So Q square is given, then we have to find Q. So this is root of 0.09. Okay, we have to find the root of 0.09. 0.09. Okay, so we will get 0.3 as the answer. Now we got Q. Then we have to find P. So we already know it is given that this population is in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. So from that we can understand P plus Q is equal to 1. So here we know Q, then P is equal to 1 minus Q, that is 1 minus 0.03. Isn't it? So the answer for this question is P is equal to 0.7. And they are not asked to find the P allele. We are asked for the individuals of dominant allele, homozygous dominant allele. So we have to find P square. So the answer is 0.7 into 0.7, that is 0.49, and percentage, when we calculate it into percentage, we will get 49%. So answer for this question is 49. Okay, moving into the next. Allele capital T for the ability to taste a particular chemical is dominant over small allele T for the inability to taste the chemical. 400 university students were surveyed and 64 were found to be non-tasters. Calculate the percentage of heterozygous students. Assume that the population is in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. So, in the question it is given that non-tasters, that is, non-tasters is T. That is, we are given with capital T, that is Q square is given, that is 64. The number is given as 64. So we have to find it. The homozygous recessive is 64. So we have to find it into percentage. So 64 divided by total number of students. That is, here it is given 400 students are there. So divided by 400. So we get the answer as 0.16. Okay. So now we got the Q square, and from that we have to calculate Q. So root of 0.16 is equal to 0.4. So we have to find root of 0.16, that is equal to 0.4. Okay. So next we have to find is P. Already in the previous question we have find how to calculate P. Q is given and P plus Q is 1. Then find P. So we will get P as 1 minus 0.4, that is equal to 0.6. So we will get P is equal to 0.6. And in this question it is asked for calculating the percentage of heterozygous, so that we have to calculate 2PQ. So it is very simple. We have to multiply 2 into 0.04 into 0.06. So our answer will be 0.48. So when calculating into percentage, we will get 48. So the answer for this question is option B. Moving into the next question. In a certain African population, 4% of the population is born with sickle cell anemia. Calculate the percentage of individuals who enjoy the selective advantage of sickle cell gene increased resistance to malaria. So you have to know one information that the individuals that are heterozygous enjoy the selective advantage. So we have to find the heterozygous individual. So always remember that the heterozygous individual enjoy the selective advantage of increased resistance to malaria, and we can say they are carriers for this sickle cell gene. So their genotype is capital A, small a. That is, here it is given that for recessive case it is AA. So we have to find the heterozygous condition. That is, we have to find 2PQ. Okay. So here it is given that 4% of the population is affected. So percentage is given and we have to find the Q square. So if it is 4% of recessive condition, that means Q square is 0.04 divided by 100. 4 divided by 100, we will get 0.04. So now we get Q square and we have to calculate Q. So root of Q square, that is equal to root of 0.04, and we will get 0.2. So the answer is Q. For the answer is 0.2 for Q allele. And now we have to calculate P. So same equation we have find this in previous questions. So I am not going to explain this again. So 1 minus 0.2. So we will get 0.8 as the answer, and so this is 0.2 and we will get 0.8. So then we have to calculate 2pq, that is 2 into 0.8 into 0.2, that is 0.32. So this is all about this video series. Now we can meet in new video. Okay. Okay, bye.